call me Alfie if you want.
Just Alfie.
I think I'm in trouble if you say Adam, so...
But maybe we'll do a cut just for your mum where I just call you
Yeah,
Adam.
yeah.
And he's in
She'd
trouble.
be so proud, yeah.
I'm sorry.
Yeah.
Hi, I'm Sylvia, and today joining me in the kitchen is Sydney FC striker Alfie.
Thanks for
Are
having me.
you ready to cook?
I can't wait, you know, let's get it started.
Are we cooking sausage rolls?
No, that's what I do on the pitch rather than, you know, in the kitchen. After.
I thought you already have nailed that recipe, so I've got another one for you, and one that you perhaps can make when you invite your teammates over for a barbecue. So do you mind making the burger mix while I turn the oven on? We've got some pork and veal mince in here, parsley seasoning, lemon zest, cheese, breadcrumbs, and just get in there with your hands.
Yeah, that's not a problem for me.
I know I said barbecue, but we're gonna be barbecuing in the oven, which for me is the hook. I have got a barbecue function on here, so I'm going to turn it on, and you
Let me get on with this
you
then,
can
yeah?
get your hands dirty.
Okay.
I want the temperature really super hot. These burgers are going to cook in under 10 minutes using the Smeg OmniChef technology.
You know, that's certainly a lot different than being out there with the grill.
Yes, I know, exactly. Okay, this is preheating, so how's your dirty work going?
Well, I'm starting it and it's getting dirty.
More.
Yeah?
Yeah, this is flavour, sorry.
All right.
I'm a messy cook. Now that you've got your hands really dirty,
Yeah.
I can help you shape them. So basically you just pinch off this much.
Yeah, I like mine big.
Okay, well, let me just match you.
Yeah, okay.
I'll raise you.
You have to get the extra flavour of it, and obviously all the, you know, extra ingredients we've added into it, you fully involve them in there, don't you, and you get them out.
You sound like you cook.
Occasionally, badly, my wife would say, but I like to try.
I love the spirit. What do you love cooking?
I like making a nice spaghetti bolognese as well. My kids seem to love that, so you know, if I can get them to eat a dish I make, then I'm winning.
You are winning,
so, yeah.
exactly. You're scoring another sausage roll. And this is another new recipe you can add to your arsenal. You know what that beeping noise is?
I think it's ready, isn't it?
Yeah, the heat is on. Now, when I said 8 minutes, I meant it. So
now pull out this,
pull
yeah?
out the griddle pan there, the barbecue tray.
There you go.
That's now scorching hot. We have to be very careful positioning.
Careful
The
with that.
burger patties on, but they'll sizzle straight away.
Yeah.
And the other thing is, this is non-stick. So the cleanup after is going to be a matter of just wiping.
Yeah, definitely. I would be most happy with this, for sure, but no cleanup anyway. Yeah.
It smells good already.
Yeah, sounds great as well.
Which Italian team do you like?
Inter Milan for me.
Yes.
It's unbelievable the fan support that they have over there. It's crazy.
I know. It's like the same love we have for calcio, we have for
It's hand in hand,
food.
yeah.
Yeah, definitely. This is our cue.
Wow.
Okay, they're ready to be flipped.
Let's go.
And this is the way you're going to get me to barbecue.
Yeah, definitely. No
Yeah.
mess. It's so easy.
No.
You know, it's a cooker's dream, really, isn't it?
Exactly. Into the oven.
Let's go.
Okay, let's get those buns out.
Yeah, come. Let's go. To have food like this ready in under 8 minutes is incredible.
It is incredible. Turn the barbecue function on your oven and everybody's gonna go like, what?
Yeah, you know.
8 minutes. Build your own.
Perfect.
Here you go.
Oh, look at that. Let me tell you.
Now this is gonna be messy,
Well,
but I think it's
Lionel.
worth it.
you don't know who Lionel is, do you?
No.
He's like one of the best players in the world at football.
Oh, Messi, as in
Yes,
Messi.
not Messi with a Y, with an I.
Yeah, I know Messi.
Oh, okay, that's what I was saying. It's going to be Messi.
Of course. Okay, to Lionel.
Yeah.
Wow, that's impressive. Wow.
Tapping, back stick. That's what we love.
There's so many more recipes you can find on Smeg Cucina. So please go and visit the site and just unleash your creativity.
Yeah, definitely. And with one of these, you know, you got barbecue at home, so it's absolutely delightful. You know.